everyone, I'm Kat with Plus One from Crafting, and I thought I would do a very special haul video today for the Sweet Ava's Paper Company 3rd anniversary bundle and all the other purchases I made with that. So I have a few things to go through with this because it's in a few different parts. So I was actually on vacation when this came out, but I had like an alarm set on my phone. I was part of the Facebook event. Like, I was so ready for this event. So let me show you, oh, there's just so much stuff with it. Let me show you the actual part of the anniversary bundle. So there's this really adorable enamel pin of Snowball with her coffee. This is very cute. You can see how big it is by the size of my thumbnail there. There's this super precious, and I don't know if my camera is going to focus properly, but it's Snowball Donut Charm for your planner. Then the full kit for this. So it comes with a bunch of deco, glitter headers, and dates. The little things, the date covers, some gradient boxes, habit trackers, weekend. So many icons and even more deco. I'm very excited for this. All the different size boxes, some checklist banners. Oh my gosh, look at this deco. And like, I love that. I like Sprinkle Kindness. That's the name of the kit. And it's just so cute. Bunch more boxes. Oh my gosh. And this washi here. Some strips. I guess it's this way. Some little washi strips. Just so cute. This bundle is just so adorable, and I'm like, it's just so cute, so sweet, if you will. But then there were the freebies that came as part of the anniversary celebration. So this is actually a magnet for business card, and then a bunch of other shops are participating in these freebies. Mania, Coffee Monsters Co., Inspire Ever After, Chubby Penguin Shop, Sweet Bean Plans, Willa Walla Co., Elizabeth Alvite, Soak Sticker Co., Rainbow Bunny Co., Once More with Love. And then these were some of the other things that were included in these kits. These cute little Snowball sticky notes. There's a little donut background. Then this is a car decal. And then this super adorable journaling card. Oh my gosh. Then it turns out that my setting my alarm and making sure that while I was on vacation I got this paid off, because there was also freebies for the first 50 people who ordered, and it turns out that I was one of them, which I'm very excited and so grateful that this was included, and it's just, I can't get over it. So this is the Snowball with the coffee sticker. I actually have been collecting some stickers like this recently, and I think I'm going to start putting them on my Chromebook, my little laptop that I take with me everywhere. So some of these freebies, you've seen them. They were included in the other batch. This is Chubby Penguins, Sweet Bean Plans, Willa Walla Co., Planner Mania, Inspire Ever After, Soak Sticker Co., the Coffee Monsters Co., Elizabeth Alvite, and I mean, I've done all my other videos that talk about Harry Potter. Now these are little Berry Potters. So cute. This is from the Prancing Doxy. Now this works out perfectly. This is from V Bella Collections. I just got my first TN, so this will be perfect for that. Rainbow Bunny Co. No white space stickers. Mommy Lay Designs. K Elizabeth Plans. And I mean, look at this. Snowball Life's a Beach card. And this very cute Thank You Very Much card. So these were the extra freebies, and like I said, I'm just so grateful that this was part of, you know, the possibilities, and I'm just really appreciative that this was included, and that was I was one of the first 50. I did make some other purchases on top of the bundle, and I just had these prepped and ready to go in my cart. This is another little magnet. Snowball with groceries. I'm actually going to use this to, you know, hold my grocery list and my meal list for 2 weeks on my refrigerator. Oh, and this is the July sampler. Very cute. I have this quill and a bunny. I think it's technically the Easter bunny. But, you know, it's also just a really adorable die cut. Just a really adorable die cut. Some cleaning quills. Some read text. And these really cute chip wine time stickers. I also did a mini kit grab bag. This is from Stuck On You. I love the colors of this. This is actually perfect. So it's got the little banners, the weekend, all the little icons, all the boxes, the decos. It's like she picked up on the fact that I'm in love with hedgehogs. It's like there's a theme going on here. Just so adorable. Then I got an Oopsie grab bag. And a lot of these I can see, you know, what the issue is. These got, unfortunately, you know, printed over and, you know, misprint. You know, I can see what the issue is on a lot of these, but I'm fine with that. I love Oopsie grab bags. I think these are still great. And I look forward to being able to use what I can from them, which will honestly be a lot of it. Like, you know, these are great. So like I said, I wanted to do just a video for this only, because there's just so much in it, and Sweet Avis Paper Company is easily becoming, if not has become, one of my absolute favorite shops. I love the characters, I love the design, her customer service is amazing, and I'm just so grateful that I got the, you know, extra freebies for being one of the first 50. And this is just an amazing kit. It shipped so quickly. She just has such great customer service and such great items. And I'm really glad that I found her in time for this anniversary, since I just got started in planning. And I'm really looking forward to continuing to support her. So this was Sweet Avis Paper. Bye!